In this question, you have to identify the smallest living cells without having a cell wall and pathogenic to plants as well as animals and which can survive without oxygen. Option A, Pseudomonas. It is incorrect because Pseudomonas, which is a genus of gram-negative bacteria, have a cell wall and they are mostly aerobic. Option B, Mycoplasma. Now, Mycoplasma are the smallest living cells and they lack a definite cell wall. And they are pathogenic to both plants and animals and they can survive in anaerobic, that is oxygen-free conditions. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, Nostoc. It is also incorrect because Nostoc, which is a genus of cyanobacteria, also has a definite cell wall and they perform photosynthesis. It is not pathogenic and they require oxygen for survival. Option D, Bacillus. It is also incorrect because Bacillus are rod-shaped bacteria with a definite cell wall. And many species are aerobic or facultative anaerobes.